gonna be doing an experiment. We're
Stop,
gonna do
Zeta!
the vinegar and baking soda.
Yeah.
We already have the baking soda in here.
Get out of the screen! Get out of the screen, Zeta! Get out of the screen!
And the thing where the baking happens.
Zeta! Go sit down! Zeta, move! You're in the camera! You're in the camera screen!
Yeah.
Move! Zeta! Stop! Jeez.
Damn.
Zeta! Go sit down! Zeta, I'm about to pause this video. Go sit down! And stop getting... Stop! Yeah, guys, so... Yeah, we're just waiting for him to get ready, but then we're gonna start the video. And yeah, it's already Stop! Yeah, it didn't go as planned very well. It doesn't really do it that well. Yeah, there it is. Zeke's showing it to all of you guys that are watching. And if you're watching, guys, subscribe and view to Mythical Beasts, the Mythical Boys.
That sucked.
Yeah, as you can put it. Yeah, as you can see, it kind of broke there. So.
But it's really fluffy to touch.
Yeah, but it's very fluffy. Let me touch. It.
Oh wow!
Feels like sugar.
I know, right?
Yeah, guys, I'll show you a little bit of it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it feels fluffy, and it looks like sugar. If it looks sugary to you, say in the comments if it looks sugary to you, because it looks sugary to me.
We'll have to restart this.
Yeah, but yeah, that's what it looks like.
See, what are you doing?
Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Zeke's coming over with the hose. And Zeta, sit down before I pause this video. Just to move away. Yeah, so then Zeke is just unlocking the thing. Zeta, get out of the camera screen. So Zeke is... Zeta! Stop! Fine, I'm going to get closer to you so she's not in the screen.
Yes! We need to go get the water out.
Are you guys trying to get outside the fence?
No, we're trying to turn on the water.
What for? What for?
To clean this.
No, you don't. No, did you ask your grandma? What do you think your grandma would say if you went to the water?
They're just talking to him.
You know,
My
go
uncle.
ask her.
Yeah. So yeah, they're just talking. And also there's Bailey right there. She likes... Yeah, that's Bailey. Bailey, look at the camera. Yeah, and Zeke's in the house grabbing something, asking his dad if he can wash it. And there's Bailey. Bailey, what is that for? Yeah, that's Bailey. She likes to just lay there. Yeah, as you can see, she just like scratches on
her back.
On her belly and stuff.
Yeah, her belly.
Yeah, but as you can see, she is very happy.
Yeah, she is.
Very happy. As you can see, she is very happy. Oh, there's Zeke. He is back.
So what'd your mama say? Grandma say?
I don't know where she is.
Mm.
Her car's here.
There's Bailey. Bailey. Yeah. Bailey's a nice dog. She wouldn't hurt anybody. If you're here, she wouldn't hurt anybody. Yeah, say in the comments below what kind try to guess what kind of breed she is. If we get it correct, well, congratulations.
Mellow.
But yeah, that's yeah. Now we will also be doing some live streams later. Yeah, as you can see, it's a beautiful day.
Friendly dog.
Yep, it is a dog.
Yeah, we got a tree, we got a barbecue.
She's a friendly dog, huh?
Yeah, she's a friendly dog.
This is it.
But he's like,
And she's not camera shy.